Chineke ma bilie bilie kaija Chineke ma bilie bilie kaija Chineke ma bilie bilie kaija Chineke ma ezinụlọ bilie bilie kaija Chineke ma bilie bilie kaija Chineke ma mba niile bilie bilie kaija Chineke ma bilie bilie kaija Chineke ma Let the living souls praise the Lord. Let everything praise Him. For He's worthy of our praise forever, and His mercy endures forever. In the hard time He provides for His own. In the time of scarcity, He supply in abundance. When people are crying and they say casting down, the children of God always shout as they lift Him up, because our God is awesome in all His ways, yes. And that is the reason I am saying yes.
Good morning, viewers all over the world. Egwe no kita bụ mkpụrụ obi nwurie binie kaija Chineke mma bụ egwu si na ngalaba na-afụ gbasara mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo n'Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple nke dị n'Oraifite na Anambra State. We have all the right. Egwu si na ngalaba na-afụ gbasara mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo anyị kpọrọ nkwa group led by me. Ọ bụrụ na ị like nya bụ egwu, then social media platforms, the iTunes, the Audio Mark, and rest of them can download. We have all the rights. For those of you that are seeing me for the first time, call me Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu Oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja n'Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi lụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja n'ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Nobody isiokwu anyị ji bịa taa bụ why you should not consider suicide or why you should avoid suicide. Because it's never an option. I will explain. But before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. Don't forget that we are still in the month of December. Our group rituals is still ongoing. Makani Bobike. Jampuni no ajeputi here. I just go near Puni or to run them, but as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media or even in Eze-Ana TV. You know why? It's not necessary, it's not why we are here. But I can tell you, Nike and Ajana actually, I am a little late to Ajay in Igua over 3 years now. Believe in me, we have massive testimonies. I want to turn them mad, indicated them mad book 2025 as a whole. Addition, I skip maybe 1 month. One net to Baja, Makanaja carried on. Yes. So, Nime Ajay Nachu. N'isi ụtụtụ a eje go na temple chụọ aja kwubie okwu n'isi ndị niile sonyela anyị n'aja ebe niile ha nọ na nsọtụ ụwa dum. Yes, anyị ejego mee nka. And etu aka m esi megide the last day of the month, we visit the waters with ihe ọnụ na-eri jee chụọ aja mee saraka n'aha mmadụ dum. Anyị jezie na-akpọ ọkalete ndị mmiri jee chụọ aja for favor n'aha mmadụ. Anyị gbakọtazie na temple ebe nchụaja chụọ aja to entities of powers in the temple. I can tell you now we have massive testimonies. Yes. So I'm already interested in joining Eze-Ana because on one ihe ị ga-eme bụ ịchaachị m na WhatsApp, ma ọ bụ na ị nwere ajụjụ na nkụzi ije ka ịnụ taa, ma ọ kwa na ị chọrọ ka agbara gị afa miri emi, chaachị m na WhatsApp 0805 78 37672. I repeat 0805 78 37672, ma ọ bụ 0813 8243871. I repeat 0813 8243871. Let's now proceed to this topic. Like I told you, why you should avoid suicide. Oh, what a bata. Yes, we came into this program with a song that says it's a song of comfort. It says, I can tell you have a reason to praise God through Kwokike. At least you are living in the land of the living. Ọ gwara onye dị ndụ na-agba bezi. Onye dị ndụ na-alụ ụlọ, onye dị ndụ na-anọkwute ihe ọma. Ịma na ndị Igbo, one Igbo adage says, and I quote, onye dị ndụ dịkwute ihe ọma, meaning if you live long, surely good things will come your path. So one thing I want to tell you today, never you in your entire life consider taking your own life by yourself. You know what? It is an abomination. It is an abomination. Quote me anywhere. Because you cannot destroy what you cannot create. You cannot create life. We human beings are not permitted to take another human being's life, talk less more of our own. You are not permitted in creation. Once you commit murder, you have committed that dastardly act that you must pay for it, now or later. So never, you don't tell me that you are suffering. Don't tell me that you have seen it all. Don't tell me that your life doesn't worth living. No, you have been misled because of maybe you don't understand how things work in creation. Message of today is for message of liberation. Some mind need to be liberated. It's paining you. What you are passing through now is paining you to the extent that you are considering taking your own life. I can tell you, once you take your life, it's like you have exposed your life from the book of life. Oh, now that is the word the Bible means by total damnation. Is committing suicide. Because you have already passed resolution on yourself that you are not worthy to live. Therefore, that's why it terminated your existence. Yes. So once you do that, you have exposed your life from the book of death. That is why it's yellow. Any land owner and commit to the allude to is contamination. I want to apologize. Yes, this is that now. Once you commit the allude to onward severe repercussions. You are not permitted. You are not permitted to take another person's life, and as well, you are not permitted to take your own life. For whatever reasons. Whatever reason that will make you to contemplate taking your own life, I can tell you, is because you don't understand how things work. There is no problem you are facing today that we don't have thousands and or even millions of people that are passing through the same condition they are passing now. And I can tell you that thousands and millions of people that have passed the same route they are passing now, and they came out victoriously. Why you are down is because you don't understand how things work in creation. We are here. to learn, to experience, and to pass. Because you cannot enter another class without passing an exam. You can never call yourself a champion without challenge. You must first challenge, conquer challenge before you become a champion. Two of us. You can never call yourself a champion. Yes. You must first challenge, conquer it, and become a champion. So don't expect that this world we are here for Jamboree party. Who told you? We are in this gross material world to experience. But maybe you are not properly mentored. That's why you don't understand how things work in creation. He who does not plan is planning to fail. And well, stages of life. Even look at your environment. Now we are here, down here, we are experiencing what is known and called Harmattan. Look at your environment. It's so dusty. Even trees, it's not funny for even them. Likewise, we human beings. Yes. Every leaves, you see some of trees, they are losing their leaves. They look dry because of the weather condition. But other are digging there. In science, you understand that even tree has where they call photosynthesis, where the tree store the whatever nutrients, water, whatever the ingredients the tree needs to sustain itself to the next season of abundance, rainy season. Nature have already taught us that there is seasons in life. And we're all go gadi. The dry season, everybody knows that. Ogo gadi. And there is season of abundance. Ogo udumiri. And we're the season of Harmattan season. Oga na akwadowe maka okuku ihe ubi. January, February, March, ndị mmadụ ebidokwa ewe ihe n'ubi. Ihe have season of life. So nature have already taught us that there is seasons for everything. However, how you manage the season of abundance when on uju determine how your dry season will be. That is why this adage that he who does not plan is planning to fail. Yes. So when you are in abundance, how do you manage the resources? I have given you some example using trees as an example. That even trees have photosynthesis where they store things that they make use of during dry season. Now I'm asking you that are looking up at me now, what is your plans? The year is coming to an end. What are their plans for the new year resolutions? Sometimes some of you don't plan. How can you expect to things to change when you constantly failing in your plans? Now, example, you are consistently doing something over and over again and expect different results. How? This gross material you are seeing now, there is a system. It's only for you as a knowledgeable person to key in into that system. Yes, you want to be successful, you will take as like one, have the mindset and reason like successful people, and with principles that governs the universe. That's what I'm trying to say. And once you apply those principles, then you succeed massively. I told you the other day I was teaching concerning wealth creation. Wealth creation is all about principle and system. Then you create a platform that will favor you. That is the thing. It has nothing to do with your faith and conviction. but understanding how things work in creation, so that you will not put yourself anti-clockwise, so that you will not put yourself to crash with the universal law that governs the universe. Those principles of nature, you must keep it. You must know the principle that onye lụọ orie. Ndị Igbo, by one Igbo ada, he says no, aka aja aja na-ebute ọnụ mmanụ mmanụ. It's natural principle. Onye lụọ irie. He say work, shop. Ebe onye na-alụ ka o si eri. You cannot fold your hand and decide not to work and expect to eat. How? So what I'm telling you, no matter whatever you are passing through now, I can tell you is endurance. Yes. You should have a fortitude. And again, let me tell you, if you will be able to, Fruit says, and I quote, tough time never lasts, but tough people do last. Never you lose focus. The most important thing is that you have your Marshall plan, where you want to be in creation. Then who is your mentor? Who are you following? Who are you looking up to? Who are you emulating? The problem is that you are emulating people that doesn't know the road. How do you expect to succeed? You are emulating people that are already on the fast lane, that will never tell you what they are doing. Why can't you have a mentor that will always explain to you that no, that digide? And with the time, okay, no, during the learning process. I remember when I started, it wasn't easy. I attended so many trainings, training upon training. At a stage, it became like every Saturday, when I was in Abuja, Saturdays, Sundays, I do attend leadership trainings and financial management. I was trained in many fields, minus spiritual aspects aside. Even financial management. I attended so many seminars, trainings. That is why when I was in Abuja, but I import used laptop from US. Let's go and verify. Anybody that is in Abuja that is into computer business. Yes, because I'm the chairman of Noble Success Computers. In Abuja, anybody that stays in Abuja, maybe like last 10 years down, must know Noble Success Computers, unless if the person is not well known. Yes, we import laptops, CPUs, monitors, and everything. Even computer peripherals, I do import those ones from China. Without no contact. It's because I went to train in online importation and I learned it very well. I was properly mentored on the proper website where I can go and learn one or two. I remember when I came back down to the east to start my calling, some of my customers then came down and pay me for me to give them, link them up, introduce them to those links. I did, and today they are doing well. One of them for me most did. Even the mother called me and thanked me so much for helping his son. Though the guy paid me for giving him the contact. I attended so many trainings. Don't you know that there is some certain genuine website, I'm not talking, but you must be properly mentored so that people will be able to teach you how to detect flawed website and genuine website. Yes, you will be mentored so that you can be here and you bought those things cheap and then create your own platform where you sell those things. And I've told you 2 ways to make money online. It's genuine money making. It's either by you are providing services. Yes. And if you are providing genuine services, giving people what they want, they will pay you. Highly respected in the cage. What does he? What is our job? He provides gossip for gossipers, people that love gossip. We always go to his blog, website to go and listen to gossip, to know the latest gossip in town. And he get paid. He earn money from those activities. He providing services, giving them what they want, and they paid gladly. So it's either you're providing services, any type of services that people want, then, or you are selling goods. Why are you paying your landlord? Is it that your landlord is so handsome? No, you are paying your landlord because your landlord is providing your house needs. True of us. Then why are you paying your doctor? Yes, you are paying because your doctor is solving your health needs. So it must be a problem solver for people to pay you. So think anyhow you can be able to provide what people need and they get paid. Even goods. Whatever goods you are promoting, if he has the value for the money, they get paid. Though the problem is that you don't understand how things work, but maybe nobody mentored you. Maybe you are interested in playing Babi Jabu or Naira Bet. Is it how you want to start? Playing gambling. Those things is that you are too lazy. You are looking for how to get money from what you did not sow. And the wonderful what you have will be taken away from you. I remember when the Ponzi scheme came. People came to my office and were like telling me about how you can invest this amount and get the other one. I said, how? They told me one man has money, this and that. I said, no rich man will be throwing his money. Tell me how this money comes. Now, if people stop joining, how come? They couldn't answer it. I said I will not join. Because they did not explain how the money comes beyond reasonable doubt. So it's not logical. Therefore, I didn't join. That's why I wasn't one of those people that was scammed during the MM era. Because I use my brain. So everything must be justified. So some of these problems you went to some people will chat me that they were scammed. Okay, you know the amount that are selling goods. One body chatted me last week. You are a businessman. You used to buy things from Lagos. But somebody chatted you and telling you give it at cheaper rate. And you paid millions of naira without seeing it. And before you know it, it's a scam. Is it not greediness? So some of these things is that sometimes you put yourself into mess. Maybe you did not think with your brain. You made a terrible mistake that you are paying now. And because you lost so many things, you are giving up. You want to die. For what reason? Let me tell you. When any rich man, a successful man you see today, Ada will be new again. I'm a rich man. I can tell you, approach any wealthy man you know. The person must have experienced downfall multiple times and keep running, keep getting up. That's I have tried. No. If you fall, you get up. We were told that even the man that Michael Faraday, right, as in yes, that developed electricity, tried 5,000 times before he succeeded. He didn't give up. So giving up is a coward act. It's not the act of successful mind. Go and verify. All the successful people never give up. It wasn't easy. Me, when I started, there was a time I'm just managing. Even to get money to eat 3 square meal wasn't there. But presently, I keep learning, knowing full well that those skills I'm acquiring now. Once you are professional, you learn what you are learning very well. Believe in me, you will succeed. But children of nowadays, some people want to get it quick. No. Once you did not learn well, you will not succeed well. It's only professionals that earn money. As in legitimate money, it must be professional. So what I'm telling you is this. No matter for the fact that you are trying and failing, never give up. Never you kill yourself. Whether you want to drink sniper, you want to, someone started me the other day that she's thinking about taking her. I said, no. I talked to her for minutes. Over 30 minutes. Explain why you should not consider it. You have a daughter. Now, you are like a single mother. Now you are crying. Crying, will you solve it? Okay, this person I'm talking about, she's once married. She has a daughter. Now, she's finding it difficult to provide for herself and for the daughter. The daughter is not a small, someone that I already finished secondary school, say they want to go to university. How? You don't have the finances. So the best thing is send that your daughter to where she will learn handwork. If he's learning handwork and she's good at what she's doing, even the person you learn the work with can even say, okay, can you work for me? I will pay you. Or you can even see a customer, the way you do your work with happiness. Somebody can even offer to help you to set up your own. Your customer service must be top notch. As in, let everybody around you be seeing you that you are doing your job with all happiness. It will favor you. Don't be suffering and smiling. Let's put it that way. As you are doing those things, put smile, put network on your face. Don't be doing as if that's now money they got money. No. Once you are doing it, people are seeing you that you are doing this job with happiness, and people will like to associate with you. But if you are not only a job in tagging the way they me as if now my people will not avoid only they do as only be able. And people will be trying to avoid you. You don't know systematically. But if you are doing your thing joyfully, let me tell you one thing you don't know. If you are passing whatever condition you are passing now joyfully, I can tell you, you will not know when you pass that condition. But when you are passing whatever condition you are passing now, experiencing it, you are always in anger, quarreling with everybody, as in showing that you are, as in people will be seeing you as a sadist. Are you following? And once people begin to see you as a sadist, people will begin to withdraw themselves from you, and their matter will get worse. But when you are doing whatever you are passing happily, people will be saying, oh, this person is suffering but he's smiling. He has a good heart. People will like to associate with you. Let me tell you, whatever you are passing to, people are watching you. Yes. I know one particular person that, okay, let me finish her story. I keep consoling her that you can't give up. Look, exactly. Now, that she's, for the fact that you have plans for her to go to university, but there's no money. Now, what she should do is that, what she should do, let her go and learn handwork. Somebody that finished secondary school, if you know what you study, you are not an illiterate. Last time I checked. Unless if you don't know, pay attention when you are schooling. Now, for the fact that after finishing your secondary school, you can with that go and learn handwork. Favor and hard work will shine on you. Even people that interact with you, come across your life, might decide to give you a good life. Somebody can see you, decide to marry you. Somebody can see you and decide to help you out and as in invest in you, because they saw something in you that is very unique, that you will be an asset. I like to help people, but I like to help someone that I see that the person will be an asset tomorrow. That even if the person succeeds tomorrow, you say, oh, thanks to this man. But you have to earn it, because people will first of all test you and see if you want investing on. So what I'm telling you, I told her that you should not bother. Okay, now she's bothering herself that she doesn't have money to send her daughter to university, and even her job is not doing well. And he's into marketing, and the marketing this is not doing well because the economy of the country. So he's not earning enough money, and in marketing he earns based on what you are bringing back to the table. So he was like, okay, since you can only feed yourself, forget about your daughter. Let her forget the University of Eden. If it's in her destiny to go to university, destiny helper will come and send her to university. Even her future husband can even send her to university. Are you following? So you are now bothering yourself. Okay, now she's so down, thinking about what to do, and she feel like, for the fact that she cannot provide for her daughter to go to university, that she wants to take her life. Look at you. Okay, now who told you that of that knowledge you acquire? Quote me anywhere. So now I said that forget about your daughter, let her go and learn work. Then you focus on your own life. But or like some of you carry so much baggages. You are thinking about this, you are thinking about this, you are thinking about this. Why can't you forget about this? As a stand. I remember when I was so down many years ago. I decided to detach, as in I left all the baggage. I struggle for my own self first. Let me tell you, if you pass on, those you are dependent, those your family people that depend on you will still move on. For some of them can even will be stronger. So don't think that without you they will all die. No, they relax because you are there. Believe in me, if you are no longer carrying their burden, they will sit up. So don't think that you are the Messiah. Are you the creator? Don't you know that even you are doing too much? That's why even their destiny they have not discovered their destiny. Because you are over pampering them. So therefore you brought so much garbages to yourself. You brought so much luggages to yourself. Listen, they carry so much burden. You cannot even sleep. So that let your daughter go and learn work while you focus on little money you are getting to feed yourself and be happy. Nobody will like to associate with a sadist. Let me tell you one thing you don't know about life. This life is horizontal and vertical. Now pay attention. You understand what I'm saying? Horizontal and vertical. Horizontal in the sense that our existence here on earth has in connection with the and the entities of powers. That is the connection between you and the powers above. Then the vertical aspect of your life is that your existence come across other people's life. So you are not living your life on earth only for yourself. You are living for God, whom is your creator. Because you must give account how you live this your earth life. Yes, you are not here by your own powers. Chukwu made it possible for you to be in the land of the living. So you owe him all accountability. So you are living here. The purpose why you are here on earth is to mature and become a better human being. So therefore, you must give account to the creator and the forces that follows you to this world to ensure that you succeed massively. But you failed them. You let them down when you take their life. You disappointed them. They will be disappointed in you. Because you are not here by your own powers. Forces sent you. Forces sent you to be here, to mature, to experience, and to become better human being in order to contribute to your quota towards furthering creation. Because that is the purpose why we are created. We are here on earth. We are sent to this cooler region to experience how things work and mature. The entities of powers like our chi and rest of them was given to us to be our guide so that we achieve the purpose why we are created, to mature and become better human being. Because when you mature and become better human being, it's when you tundi cheer. So then a decision making body in our further creation. Because you work on those that throne here on entities of powers now further creation. So you associate entities of power. That is why we are created. So when you are here and you left that work assigned to you to mature undone, you are disappointed. You have disappointed the creator. You have disappointed Yachi, disappointed your instruments. You are disappointed your own that are here in numbers to help you to be great in life. They will be disappointed at you. Because you are also etu yin nọkịta ịmụrụ na etu yin nọkịta na Chukwu okike sitere n'ụwa na ụmụ mmụọ so bịa n'ụwa for you to mature and become a better human being. You decided no, they will not do this work. You disappointed them. Let me tell you what will happen to you. You remember the story in the Bible where Jesus told story of a man, an oga that want to travel. He called his 3 servants. He gave this other one 1 shilling. This one said, I don't want to do anything that my oga this and that. He went somewhere and buried the money. He gave the other one 5 shilling. The other one he gave 5 shilling, use it to work and double the money to 10 shillings. The one he gave 10 shilling, double it to 20 shillings. And when he came back after a while for accountability, the one he gave everybody did it their own account. But the one he gave 1 shilling went and dig that 1 shilling out, said he did not do anything with the 1 shilling. For the fact that he's dormant, he didn't do anything. Had it been he doubled that 1 shilling to 2 shilling, he would have been allowed. But for the fact that he kept it unused, that even that 1 shilling was collected from him and given to another person. That is something that will happen to you if you decide to make use of your talent while you are here. Each and every one of us was given enough talent that we secure so many better things for us here on earth. But some of you are not ready to use your talent. Okay, how will you feel? You are a child. Your parents spent lots of money to send you to learn a trade, to learn a work, maybe to go to school. At the end of the day, you decided to kill yourself. Your parents will be disappointed at you. Do you know that as you are now, I will go and get kids more because they sent you here and they're expecting you to become a useful, mature. Are you following? They expected you to be mature. Now, once you failed them by not living up to the expectation, you have disappointed them by taking your own life. Now, the same thing with how your relationship cut across other human beings. Maybe you are a child to your parents. Your parents expected more from you. But when you kill yourself, you have disappointed them. They will cry. Why, my son, why? You will put them in pain. You can see that their life is no longer for you alone. So that's why I told you before now that your life has cross. It's like cross. Our life existence is like cross. The horizontal is how it affects us and our children. Then the vertical side is how it affects the other human beings. So you can see that your life cut across other people. You are being selfish by only thinking that let me end this my life. Who told you you own your life? Someone owns you. Ọ bụrụ na esi na mmadụ enwere onye nwe mmadụ, jee gbuo onye ala ka ị mara na o nwere mmadụ. Ndị a na-akpọ ndị ikwu nne gị na ndị be nna gị, ndị agha ebe nọrụ si na etu aka Ifedirichukwu si wee dawa. Ọ ha bụ ndị nwe gị. So they will feel disappointed. Ha asị gị Ifedirichukwu oluo na ụdị a. Ha dị disappointed. Those people are disappointed in their actions. They expected so much from you. They expected you to be a role model. Even the younger ones with their siblings. Why? Orona no dia. Omere mama chie chukwena onye uta atania. O chukwu na eme mmadu eze. Oganyati na akara aka. You try your best and leave the rest. Because even if you try your best, you do not succeed massively. Maybe your destiny is on do one better. What you call on one can get sigosigi. Oh, there is no ma. Nafa Potaro Brock, Mana, Hamotar, Omas today. They are celebrating. Also, you now one way to see now one working on Sina one. It's Boga, but Imaro. You do one better. Kari as you know how for Tagu now. I will know Satabero. When did today on your angry young? Emono, you didn't do could be Homer. I can tell you. I remember when I was in this into church of the band one time knock at them for the same kind who know. I just found them man and that hard draw. I remember those days I went to one big hospital. I don't need to call the name. In the time that day can generate the sick people. Believe in me, I couldn't finish one big word. I began to shed tears. I did not sin. I did not sin. If you ask me, I did not sin for 1 month because of what I saw that particular day. That many years ago. I saw people, I was like, Bumputana from the world. I was thanking God. I was thinking that I don't have money. But I saw people, this me, etienne. Ndị nọ n'ọnọdụ ndị len chagolo ka gịnị ọ bụrụ sickness. Ha! Ife onye ga na-asị gị na ụkwụ ya hangiri n'elu for more 6 months. N'ihe na ya Chukwu bụ kedu ụbọchị ya ya apụta. Ya na-ekwu okwu ego. Not talking about money. Asking God, when he or she will come out from this hospital, step out as in match her leg outside and see this crowd. Urubutu enough. Ịmara na onye dị ndụ, ịmara o nwere ndị dị ndụ na-achọ, ịmara na ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu si na onye dị mpempe ndụ ka mpempe ọnwụ mma. Onye ilu ka a na-atụ. You don't know that na ndụ ịdị na o nwere onye mma mụ na ya nọ na meeting. This is a man. This man is somebody that is so broke to the extent that he sold almost his land. He forcibly over the entrance and the main ancestral home. So broke. But today, one of his son was the one that did my car garage because he's a welder. But today, as we speak, even I remember when those days, is not even for 3 years ago. I been meeting them both for them to Ana and Jack and all be Eze-Ana. You got that? Man, today as you speak now, ega bata go beer. Ofunya na emepu na January 5th. You got that? Nwa nka na agbaga weather because what was your contact, so many contacts as we speak now. Ojogo Eze-Ana ebe ololo pharmacy, because a small story building ebe nwunye eme pharmacy a na-emepe the pharmaceutical shop emepe ana enelo one plot egolo na site egolo 25 million naira. It's money. They are ụmụ ya. Mana this is a man last 3 years he's so broke eji amanja onye dị ndụ dịkute ihe ọma. Never you give up. Make the one you can do and leave the rest. Because you might hit the destiny again. Ọ na destiny gị si na ị ga-adị ya adị otu odi na ị ga-adị nnekwu na 50 years. Mana ị nwere ndidi. You just buy fast lane. Fast lane can only draw it maybe 25 years. You do otu odi. Maybe at 50 na ịbụ na wachu. Mana ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ndidi. Chere oge Chukwu. 50 years ahụ you do otu odi nwere ike ịnọgide na 90 na 100. Mana isi na ọka ịnọ na fast lane ka ngwa nwantara ị mara ọ destiny ebe aka o si. Isi ka ije banye na ihe ọjọọ na ị na-achọ ego. Some of the ndị a na-abanye n'ihe ọjọọ nwetara ego abụrụ because of ihe ọjọọ ha na-eme ka ha ji nweta ego. I can tell you. Ọ na akara aka ha bụ ego. Efu nwata nwaanyị oje na-arụ runs. Anyị na-ego ihe Benz. Dịka ofu onye nke na-ewu na social media. Efu na-egori Range Rover ma ọ na-egori ụlọ na Lekki. Ọ nọmba ọ na-agba ka o ji ego ihe niile ndị a. Mmadụ a na-egori because na destiny ya bụ na ọ ga-adị oturu odi. Ọ ga-adị nnekwu. Na ọ ga-anya moto. Na ọ ga-anọ na mansion. Mana o nwere ndidi. Maka na ọ nọrụgoro na be die will still provide those things. Mana ọ dị decide ka ọ nọ na fast lane. Ihe na-achọ ịkọwa ahụ na ọ ihe ahụ ọ na ọfa ndị mmadụ ji emeri those things. Enwere ndị nwere nke ka mma karịa nke. Ị ghọtara ya? Mana ndị a niile si na ya ihe afọ onye wụ ite njọ. A na-agọrọ ụlọ na Lekki. A na-emeri ihe. Ibi na-eje lụọ ya ihu, lụọ ya everything. Package ya. Ifu picture ya mgbe ọ dị na ọ na-etolite say wow, what money can do does not exist. Mana ịma na-arụrụ ihe niile na-alụ. Ị ghọtara ya? Mana gị nwakazi ihe mma bụ mma si na chi ya wee necha agha anya emetụ mma aka. O nwere onye sịrị nwa ọka na-ele onye kwecha ahụ nkwa ọgachi ike ebe aka osi. Ị ghọtara ya? So ọ bụrụ because of runs. Ọ bụrụ because of na ọ hapụrụ ube dị na-eso ndị sugar daddy ka o ji enwetara ihe maka onwe ndị hapụ ya mma pụtakwara na be di ha nwere onye sị ha nwa ọka na-ele onye ntị ọ dịkwa ọ na ebe aka osi. O nwere ike icheje na ọ na-arụ nsọ ahụ ọ na-eme ma ụdị life ahụ ọ na-ebi ka o ji enwe gasị kịta na ọ nọ na UK ma ọ nọ ebe dị etu a na-ata ndụ. Ọ bụrụ because o nwere ndị pụtara ụnụ ka ya mma pụtara n'ụdị life ahụ mana nwe onye sịrị ha anything. All that's life for you. All mystery of life. So it's not easy by fast lane because others by because someone or don't address in or draw. If I go to one ihe nke ụwa abụrụ ihe ga-eji wee megide One thing, make sure you enjoy giver. Make sure you are contributing your quota. Make sure you are bringing something to the table. Or somebody ma. Oh yeah, there's some on social media for a very long time. I'm in person. But one thing I noticed about her now, from time to time, or commenting on my post, from time to time, or share my message, from time to time, or share my message. At a stage, in life, one thing about life is all about givers never lie. And in life, always try to balance it. Try to reciprocate. Yes, by so then you will not be indebted to the person spiritual. So once at a stage I began to pay attention, this person may share my message without asking me for anything. Let me check her up. That is how. I understand. So by so then, at a stage, 1 or 2 times, by so then, they are striking a balance. To that thing. But this is a person that have been following me for years. But we consistently, something that for her, she's benefiting from what I teach. Yes, but for me, all they share the message, I was like, this person that is sharing this. So, you all need a mother and after that's what I want to say. So, all the mother name, try to strike a balance. Try to have a good heart. Don't envy anybody. You all want to say to her, one day I get low target. Never you think of taking your life for any reason. That was my message. Take my message very serious. My message today is that when you didn't do home, and there's no account you take your life because you are not here for your own. And they are looking up to you, and they will feel disappointed. When you take it off your life, and by so doing, you have broken their hearts. So if not your life, so whenever you are thinking about taking your life, think about those that depends on you. Think about those people that will feel disappointed. Think about those people that will feel hurt. Think about those people that will be in pain, that will cry. Why? Think about those things. And I can tell you, by taking on your life, what it means that you have passed message in the spiritual realm that your existence is no longer valuable, that you have seen it all, that you are don't wish to continue existing. Is the express way of expunging your name from the book of life. That is everlasting death. Onya bata na obu na enwe ebe uri ihe na-etu amela. Anyị bụ ndị na-akpụ alụ ga-abịa kpụọ alụ. O nwere the rituals a ga-eme before ebutu onye bụ ozu. And emesịa that ritual ka ihe ghara ibido mebe na ya bụ ngwuru maka na alụ batalụ. Ọ bụrụ egwu ọgwụ agbangara na wee na-anya. Ọ bụrụ egwu achị ọtaba wee n'aka wee na-agba. Always serious matter. And ọ bụrụ na imeri ya o mere n'izu o mere n'ọnwa ogonite maka na alụ mmelụ. There was contamination of the land. But I can tell you, this thing make a contemplate here. For some of you that is telling me that I have call, and go post. Obruni will call and sincerely speaking. You want to answer your call. Believe in me, chat me on WhatsApp, I will help you. See, indeed, God will call you na harm area. Yes, when my call issue came up, I became almost frustrated. But I said to myself that I will never give up. I will not die like a coward. What makes me to leave Abuja in my comfort zone to come back to the village? I became a laughing stock. People were like, is he not going to go into Abuja? I be everything. If we pass, people will laugh. Before you know it, people will be laughing. But when things turn around, today, once you become successful, the mother will begin to identify back to you. So don't give up. Ọ bụ na nwere ọkpọ nke wọntere mara na onye nwere ọkpọ oku na a na-apịawa ya azụ nke efe adọrọ. You know why? Maka na o nwere ndị ọ bụ n'oge ga-eje kwubiri okwu and that is on ihu ọlụ gị ndị ahụ na-ebe arịrị na-asị Chineke nọzikwa ome. So for that reason ụmụ mmụọ ga na-apịawa gị azụ ka ije n'iru ọlụ gị ka i wee zute ndị na-etu a. You know the story of Job, as not Job, Jonah. Yes, agwa ya je obodo Ninive he refused. Mgbe e bido mpịawa azụ ya lụrụ aka ọ bụrụ na atụnyere na mmiri a ga-eji maka Job na ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ n'ihi nwere idea. Ịghọta the story nkọwara ụbọchị nkọwara gbasara mango, ripe mango a chọrọ ịgatu because of bad positioning. Other unripe mango nwere ike isokwa ripe mango wee daa. O nwere ndị jụ na ha ama aza kọlụ ejiri maka ofu onye jụ na ọma aza kọlụ nne ma ọ bụ nna na-apịawa ụmụazị azụ nwere idea. O nwere family nwere ike enwee kọlụ ha chụ na ha ama emie a na-apịa onye ọbụla fifidarịda onye ọbụla ịtarị ya receive agachi for not answering the call. Everybody will receive cane ulala for not doing the right thing. So ọ bụrụ na o nwere onye nke gị nwere call, please and please stop preventing them maka ịtarị mmụọ ihe a na-akpọ ịtarị mmụọ spiritual cane. Ọ na-apịa gị ike na-echere mmadụ ga-eme gị. A na-apịagodo mmadụ ịtarị mmụọ onye nwere 40 feet container anya aya ego ntị ọ dịkwa ihe na-achịkọwa. So ịtarị mmụọ ọ dị egwu. So ị mara ihe mere ka nke ọrụ ha aka nwere ike ọ bụrụ ichefuo. Jona wee jee omegide wee si na-edoro Jona after 3 days akpọpụta Jona n'obodo Ninive. Ihe nchọ ọka iwere dị meseji dị a. Mgbe Jona bataziri o kwechikwa na ọ ma eje wee jee n'okpuru osisi ka o jezuo onwe ọ na-achọ shelter. We were told na the story na-emere ka o jegba osisi kpọnwụọ ka Jona wee nweta the hotness of the sun. Amara m ihe ọbụla bụ ya shelter. Nwere ike ọ bụrụ business gị, nwere ike ọ bụrụ di gị, nwere ike ọ bụrụ nwunye gị, o nwere ike ọ bụrụ ya comforter, ya destiny helper, o nwere ike ọ bụrụ mmadụ na-adachi gị ego. Ị ma na mmadụ nwere ike iji because of mpịawa azụ n'iju n'ime eje n'ihu ọlụ gị napụghị onye iji dị ebube, napụghị ihe iji dị ebube, napụghị onye na-enye gị obi aṅụrị, ha napụghị ihe na-enye gị shelter. Amara m ihe bụ shelter na ndụ gị. Enwere ike itake ya out ma ọ bụrụ na ịzara oku a. Can tell you, a sịrị m gị were ihe mere Jona wee mụrụ ihe. Ebe ọ bụ na that story kwuru na eji because of Jona ka o weta afọ wee destroy a living tree. I can tell you, amara m ihe bụ living tree, represent a living tree in your life. That thing might be destroyed because of you. So we're also were ije jee n'iru ọlụ gị because you are thinking about ihe ndị mmadụ ga-ekwu. Because you are thinking that life is all about you, right? I can tell you that life is not all about you. You are here for a purpose. And when you get across your life, yes, vertical wise. So for those reasons, because of those people, you got the whole of it. Let you come up with I'm only interested. Let me know. I have a plan in this 2025. Yes, all my uncle more. I may help opportunity. The interested. My working my one. Cholo for mentorship. Ndị nwere ezigbo agwụ na-disturb na ha chọrọ and na ha chọrọ area. I really want to help endless class only. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, remember my topic today, never you consider taking your life. It's never an option. Believe in me. Let me stop here. If you have questions today, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672. I repeat 0805 7837672. More 0813 8243 871. I repeat 0813 8243 871. Ekwomoku ngozi upon the lives of those that will hear this message, those people that will share this message. May the blessings of Chukwu Kepremi abide by you. May you be protected. May you be favored. May the work of your hands begin to yield fruit. May your destiny help locate you. May you be regretted. Na Chukwu Kepremi no ike ile sinaki abia. Ekwukwa m na awa nke eziokwu ga-adịkwa echi niile. Na ọ bụrụ na ọnwa egburu ọjọọ eji wee chụ aja, emecha na ọ ya epu ome. Udo dịrị unu.